Sit. Sit. Sorry, that is Stan. Good boy. Sit.
He's gonna hate us.
Ready?
Okay.
Sit.
Just
Sit.
give it to him.
You didn't even try it.
Let me try it. You don't want it? Get it, Dexter. Get it.
Come on, Chloe.
Uh-oh.
We gotta go potty. Not exactly pottying.
He's fine.
Come on, Chloe. Come on. You can play with her later. Come
Oh,
on.
he did not like that.
Come on. Out we go. You can play later.
Yeah.